What's the meaning of aperture? Aperture. Aperture. Aperture.
Aperture. Aperture. In photography, aperture refers to the opening in a camera lens through which light passes into the camera body. The size of the aperture determines how much light enters the camera, and affects the depth of field of the resulting image. A larger aperture allows more light in and results in a shallower depth of field, meaning that only a small area of the image will be in focus while the rest is blurred. A smaller aperture allows less light in and results in a deeper depth of field, meaning that more of the image will be in focus.